Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Green Day here, saviors. We love Green Day, you love Green Day, so why not? So let's take a look at this song here. Only 4 chords, 1 string pattern. The chords goes back and forth depending on which part we are in the song. That is great. So no need for any capo here. We're going clean 4 very easy chords, G, D, A, and E. Let's go from G now. We have that, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have the D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have a string pattern that is very easy. If you grab the A, that's the 1st chord. 1 string around is about 4 downs, and it sounds like that. 4 downs in total. I play on the first 2 downs on the bass strings, so down, down. And then I go on the 3rd down and hit the higher notes on the last strings down there, and then go back on the 4th down and play an extra down on the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass. Like that. Beautiful. All right, so let's go into the first part here. That's the verse. You're gonna play A 4 rounds, 2, 3, 4, then D 4 rounds, 4, then G 2 rounds, then D 2 rounds, and here comes the part that we need to explain a bit more in depth here. It goes 1 round on A. So, and then you hit 3 downs on A again, and then comes the D, 1 down on D, and then 1 down. You reach out here to the 4th fret on the A string, that's the C sharp note, and just hit that note, perhaps the string below as well, and you land on A. Okay, so we stop there. So you played so far A for 4 rounds, D 4 rounds, G 2 rounds, D 2 rounds, and then we have A 1 round plus 3 downs, and then you go to D 1 down, the 4th on A string here, which is the C sharp note, 1 down, and then 1 down on A, back to the A chord. So that A slowly goes okay, again, so 1 round strumming pattern, then 3 downs on A, then 1 down on D, 1 down on the C sharp, and 1 down on A, like this. And that A is the first down into the last strumming round of the A, again as the next strumming round. So you land on the A, and then you make a short pause, and you just fulfill with 3 downs in the end of the A there. So the full A part, the ending here of the verse, will be like this slowly. Alright, that makes sense. Again, 1 string around on A, then 3 downs on A, then 1 down on the D, 1 down on the C sharp note on the 4th fret A string, 1 down on A, and that 1 down on A in the end there is the start of the last strumming pattern round there. So 1 down on that, short pause, and then 3 extra downs to fulfill the strumming pattern. That is 1 round in the verse play. So slowly, 1 round goes A4, D4, G2, D2, and now comes the A part here. 1 on A, 1, 2, 3, D, C, A. All right, so that is one round. The first round in this verse play. We're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So the second round you play this, you just go very easy on the end there, and then there you're gonna play A4, D4, G2, D2, and instead of playing around with this extra notes here and there, you just end with A4. So the last round here will be A4, D4, G2, D2, and A4. All right, so that is the verse. Two times you play this chord progression. The first one is this little bit harder part with the A back and forth, and D, C sharp, and A, and then there. And the second time you play just with 4 rounds of strumming on the A chord. That takes us to the chorus. Okay, so it's very straightforward from now. You have E2, A2, E2, and A2. Then D2, A2, E2, and A2. That is the first chorus. Then you go back and play the second verse. So no changes there. It's the same as the first one. 2 times of this chord progression with this different ending in the first time of them. And then you're gonna play the second chorus. No changes there as well. So it's played in the exact same way. Then comes the bridge part, and we're now about 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song. So this bridge part goes G, 2 string rounds, D2, and then comes the A in the same way as you played in the verse with this extra notes added or downs on D, C sharp, and A. So that is 1 string around plus that extra. So okay, and then you continue with G4 and E4. All right, so that is the bridge part. To summarize that one, it's G2, D2, A, the same way as you played in the verse with 1 string around first and then 3 downs on A, then D, C sharp, A, and fulfill the string pattern there. And then we have G4 and E4. After this bridge part comes a solo part, and that is where you're gonna play the same way as a chorus play. So you just play 1 chorus there, 1 round, just in the same way you played the previous choruses there. And then after that solo part comes the third chorus. And it's actually to play exactly the same. The third chorus here will be played with 2 rounds instead of only 1 round. So E2, A2, E2, A2, D2, A2, E2, A2. That is the big chord progression around there in the chorus. You're gonna play that times 2 now. And just to mention the ending there in this final chorus, the third one is on the last or second to last chord there, the E. Instead of playing E2, you're now gonna play E3, and then you're gonna play 3 downs, and then you're gonna end in the same way as you use the D, C sharp, and A. You end it in that way. So when you played that chorus, the third chorus here, you played the first round and you are in the second round now, and you come close to the end, you're gonna play the D2, the A2, and then comes the E2. So from the E2 now, I'm gonna play it for you slowly so you understand how this song ends. It goes like E3, then 3 downs on the still E chord, and then comes 1 down on D, 1 down on the C sharp, and 1 down on the A, and that's the end. So from the E part, the last round, it goes like this slowly. And that summarizes Green Day's Saviors. nice song there. So yeah, I really love that tough beat into the song, kind of this yes, this rhythm here really talks to me in the sense that it's very playable, very easy to play on guitar, and sounds powerful in some way. So give this a try, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me feedback on this. Support me here on Going Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.